Today I'm making a simple chicken paillard with lemon orzo. This is something I like to make on busy weeknights because the whole meal takes just about 20 minutes from start to finish. I start by making the orzo because it can sit out while you cook the chicken. Add the orzo to boiling water and simmer for about 7 minutes. While that's cooking, chop some fresh flat leaf parsley. Zest a lemon into a large serving bowl. To that, add some extra virgin olive oil, fresh cracked pepper, if you can open the pepper grinder. I like a mix of white and black peppercorns. A little sea salt, just about half a teaspoon or so, and then some lemon juice. This is a huge lemon, so I'm only going to use half of it. Give that a whisk, and then it's time to drain the pasta. Orzo is sometimes confused with rice, but it's actually a type of pasta which is only shaped like a grain of rice. I toss the hot pasta with the dressing in the bowl. Then add in 3/4 of a cup of crumbled feta cheese and the parsley I chopped earlier. Give that a toss and then set it aside and start on the chicken. The term paillard is French and refers to a tender cut of meat that's been butterflied or pounded thin. I prefer to butterfly the chicken breast. It's not as messy that way. With a very sharp knife, cut each chicken breast in half horizontally, making sure to cut all the way through. Season the meat well with salt and more of that black and white pepper. Next, I dredge the chicken in a little flour. You don't have to do this, but I like the crunch it gives to the chicken after cooking in butter. Heat a skillet over medium heat and begin preheating the oven. Add a tablespoon of butter and a little olive oil, and when that's melted, carefully place in the chicken. I cook the chicken on one side for about 5 minutes until it's golden brown, then turn it and immediately place the pan in the hot oven. Let the chicken finish cooking in the oven for about 5 minutes longer, then switch on the broiler and cook for another minute or two until the chicken is golden and crisp. I love to serve the chicken on a bed of leafy salad greens. Today I'm using a mix of baby spinach, chard, and kale. Toss the greens with a little olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. To plate, place the warm chicken on top of the greens and serve the orzo alongside. I sprinkle a pinch of finishing salt over everything. I love the crunch of this French gray sea salt. It brings the whole dish together. Serve the chicken Paillard with a glass of Pinot Grigio or a good rosé. This dish is such an elegant meal to have in the middle of a busy work week. I hope it inspires you to cook something a little special tonight. Thanks for watching.